What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is look at my grapevine wreath and just see if there's any pointy edges like this one right here. Y'all, you would want to make sure that is not up against a customer's door. And then any little crazy stragglers. But I just want to use this as the base. I'm going to use this to cover most of it. And then we're going to add a giant fall bow right down here. Super simple. So it's going to look like a big door hanger when it's done. So it's got this metal bar. I'm just going to put my zip tie right through the metal bar. And then run that right through the grapevine. All right, get that as tight as I can get it. Figure out that angle. Same thing on the top half. All right, so you can see on the back, literally all we did was zip tie the metal bar onto the frame. Y'all, I have a little bit of mesh left over from last night. So I am going to use a little bit of that to help hold my bow in place. All right, so I just put two little ruffles together. Gonna get those nice and tight and twisted. All right, so we basically just made like a little seat for our bow to have a little bit extra junk in its trunk. I want my bow right down here. All right, so look, just a little spot to add our bow so that it stays nice and cool looking. Let's get our easy bow maker. All right, I grabbed 3 fall ribbons and some raffia. Y'all, I'm gonna start with the 2.5 inch on the bottom. All right, we're gonna give ourselves a pretty decent tail. All right, so about 6.5 to 7 inch base loops. All right, we're gonna grab just a little bit of our raffia. Remember, we want it to look pretty and not homeless, right? So don't add too much. It can't look like it's been playing in the grass. All right, now I'm gonna grab my 4 inch. Same thing, a little 8 inch tail. Slightly smaller. A little bit more raffia. Y'all, then I'm going to grab one more little bundle. I'm going to fold it right in half so that we get a nice little loop and then some frays. And I'm going to put that right in the center. We're going to take our pipe cleaner. Get it nice and tight. Get a good twist in there. All right, the raffia is like our little center loop in this one. All right, y'all, now we're just gonna add our bow right on top of that mesh that we did. Y'all, so I'm just trying to get that pipe cleaner right through the grapevine. All right, pull it nice and tight. Fluff out our bow. All right, let's trim our ribbon tails down. Y'all, these are the kind of things that I liked to bring to craft shows. They were super quick to make. They are relatively inexpensive to sell because it doesn't take you any time. Y'all, on this one, I will add a pipe cleaner for a hanger just because I don't want them to try to hang the scarecrow straight and then it be all lopsided. Like, I want the grapevine to hang correctly on their door. So I'm just going to take a pipe cleaner, put it right in the back of the grapevine. And twist it off. Everything that you're seeing here came from decoexchange.com. Could you add a sunflower to the hat? You absolutely could. All right, now there's just a little pipe cleaner back here to go on the door to hang it. I'm going to list this one right now. Bye, y'all.